Hello traders, welcome to episode 293 of TA Meme Betray, the Threadripper edition. Oh my god. Has anyone missed this stuff?
Oh, it feels so good! Bitch ain't doing things.
Bow to your sensei. Bow to your sensei!
Bow to your thread-ripping sensei, alright, and your new motherboard and all that stuff. Oh my god, dude. So, we got it, man, we got it. Few bugs, different things. I don't know if I'm gonna get any stuttering tonight on my screen, but should be fine. Should be fine. This thing is just very powerful. All right, and I actually have 16 more gigs of RAM coming in because evidently my RAM gets pretty nuts. So I'm using about 11 to 12% of my CPU power right now, which is wonderful. We encoded all of OBS, my streaming platform, to be run only on Threadripper. No more GPUs needed, so the GPUs can take care of all the monitors and graphics and stuff. So it's wonderful, man, wonderful. Anyway, so hope y'all been having a good Friday, right? Or Saturday, sorry. Look, man, it's dude, just been working on this all week. All right. Anyway, look. This was Bitcoin's going on, right? Someone brought this up. Jeremy S. He was asking about any kind of cipher pattern, something like that. Yeah. Anchored it, and it seemed pretty valid. It seemed pretty freaking good. Now, one thing about it is, I just couldn't believe this. All right, so you've got your bullish Gartley pattern. That's what we think is developing right now, bullish Gartley. But there's the bullish bat pattern, all right? And I thought it could have been the bullish bat pattern, but it's not. Because the bullish bat pattern only retraces 50%, between 38% and 50% of the way. We retraced almost 62% of the way, right around 60% of the way. I mean, like 60%, okay? So that difference there between a 38% and 50% retrace from X to A and a 62% retrace is an entire pattern, okay? So that would mean the difference between the bat and the Gartley is where you normally bottom out, okay? So if we bottom out, we should be bottoming out around a 78% retrace. But if we were looking at the bat pattern, the bullish bat pattern, we'd be looking for a target of entry around the 886 retrace, okay? That's it. That's like the differences are so small, but they're real. So what we're gonna do is look out and see what happens at around that 80% retrace, okay, from X to A. That's it. All right, or between the 1272 and the 1618 from B. Excuse me, from B to this high right here. So if we do from swing low to swing high, we're looking to retrace between the again 1272 and 1618. So we just do right here like this. From your low to high, okay, down here. Anywhere in between here, we're looking to bottom out, all right? But we want it to be at the 786, which is really, funny enough, at the heart line of the equidistant channel. I know this is crazy, man, but it's been freaking me out since I've been looking at it. All right, just making sure I've got my ducks in a row with the targets of entry and the percentage retraces. Okay, it's fun, man, it's fun. All right, so that's really the harmonic side of it. If we zoom in, I think, hey, no more flag. I mean, you could still call it a flag, whatever, but what we want to do is just look at it like this. I'll hold this off a little bit. Okay, you can clearly see anchor by 1, 2, and 3. It looks to me like a rectangle, right? A bearish rectangle. Okay, so if we were to break out bearishly, measure move of the pattern, if it lets me. There we go. Brings us down. Oh, 3420. A little bit below the 1272 fib extension from your swing low. Sorry. To swing high. Sorry, these were just off. Zoom in. Okay, so actually a little bit further now. Wow, just adjusting there. Between the 1414 and 1272, which makes sense, but maybe we go a little bit lower and hit that 78% retrace from X to A. okay? That's it. Crazy. I know, a lot to take in, but just developments have occurred, and I'm digging it. I'm freaking digging the harmonics, man. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Then we could break to the upside from there, and we could, from when we found that swing low, from C to D, when we find the bottom, swing high to swing low, fib, and we look for the 382 and the 618, and then possibly the 1272. All right, those targets. Okay, so it's going to be a minute, all right? All right, anyway. Let's take a look at chat. Holy crap. What's up, MK man? Rick Schmitz, man. Zed Zerps, Greg K. What's up, dude? Who dat?
WHO dat seems you got the badass Rams coming, you better be ready. We rushed for 275 yards tonight. Who dat better becomes the Rams, baby.
Yeah, that's right. That's right. Who dat in the house? Thanks for the 420. Oh, excuse me. I'm not.
Is that a joint?
It almost got out of muscle memory for a second. Whew. Good thing I was manually doing it when I was on the green screen of my alternative office. Okay, so Threadripper is live. Loco is free. So far, so good. No stuttering. There was one stuttering bug thing that I had to figure out. It was really weird with the power settings. Decent amount of complaints about it online, so thank God. So we'll figure that out before going live. What's up, Sam Easy? Hey, John Legend. Princess Riley. Princess Riley, you're hot. What's up, Coffee Crypto? Erwin Coffee Crypto. Been drinking coffee all day. Hey, my IT guy has been drinking Erwin Coffee all day too. So because of Erwin Coffee, maybe it's the reason why this thing's rolling. All right. What's up, Bradford man? P Miller man. Zed Zerps is just drunk drawing lines on charts like a fool. Don't be a fool, man. Draw the right lines and you won't be a fool, okay? Eric Stewart's drunk. He says, go Cowboys. What's up, Jason Trebolo? Tron moon, please? It already mooned, man. Did you not see it go insane? It was up 24% before we dumped. So it did moon. For real, did moon. Nick Pad says, XRP doing things. Inside of a flag, a bear flag, I guess. Yeah, it's going up barely any. But we'll look at it in a minute on XRP doing things. So Vats 85, Anthony Rosano, dude. Pix HG. Pix of what, man? What? Yeah, he did. Sorry, the IT guy came through. It really wasn't his fault. Like, there was nothing you can do about it. We've discussed this over and over and over again. There's a motherboard issue. It's a defect in the complete design of the TR4 second gen Threadripper plate. They go on all the motherboards. Okay, so. What's up, Bill Centura? Good day, mate. Or might. Sorry. BSG's life savings. What happened? You going all in on Go? Get wrecked, dude. Where's the trade setup for Hypercash? Man, Hypercash. That sounds so reputable, man. What's up, Jonathan Krause, dude? Good to see you. I hope everyone is well and happy and fed. Federal Reserve or what? Saturday night stream with a bunch of Kangs and Quains. Excuse me, my God, man. Hey, Dave Jones, how you doing, man? Greg H, Baron G, Randy Scholes. I don't know if my stream is the most exciting thing in crypto these days, Randy Scholes. So that might be. I don't know, man. These harmonics are pretty freaking lit, dude. Okay. See a tentacle. Hello. Michael David. Good to see it. Oh yeah, the chat box is frozen. I don't know. I had to reconnect my restream. It was all bugged out. I think it had something to do with me doing something on stream key on another computer. All right. What's up, Crypto Cracker, dude? A new cyber pattern? Yeah, it's a Gartley pattern. All right. Very, very small difference between the Gartley and the bat. Okay, very small. Oh, Julia's here. Oh my gosh, let's just play it, man. Play it. Jesus chops. Yeah, sorry, I have not fixed my Lumia. It's still busted. Princess Rally, sorry. I know, no, and like really, if I even turn them on, it's still bugged out, and I haven't had a chance to mess with it. I haven't had a PC, you know, this PC, right? So I'll get it taken care of at some point. What's up, Chaylin, dude? Hey, John Lara, dude. The flame setup game is back. What happened, Aaron? Flame game? Do I see Bitcoin dip till 3K? What does that mean, Bats? I don't understand that sentence. It's kind of weird how you structured it, and it's hard for me to answer that. Maybe readjust the sentence or something. James McGirt says Simon Birch rule. I swear, broadcasting, your voice just has to be like perfect. Okay. Dan Silas, hello, man. Yeah, we're up and running, C-Dub, with that Threadripper and the two GeForce NVIDIA 1080 Ti's. Oh my god. Alright. Forget the green screen, John? Well, it's forgotten, right? Until something happens with this, okay? So, Matt Mortensen says, bring your own bud, whether it's Budweiser or marijuanas. Okay. Okay, sweet, man. Thanks, Randy, man. Uh-oh, everyone's saying Dallas sucks now. Oh, man. Broken light on the desk. What? Is there a broken light on the desk? All my stuff's messed up back there. I don't have my Viking helm up. Probably bad omen and stuff. Alright. What's up, Essex Hammer? Come on, England, man. Ricard, hello. Thanks, Dustin Witt, man. I appreciate that, dude. I don't know, to hear y'all say that, it's really humbling, okay? Just seriously. But, I don't know, man. Exciting or not about Bitcoin, we know there are a multitude of scenarios going on right now. You got the shorter term stuff that we just analyzed, and then the little bit more zoomed out view of where we could be running to, alright? And we're about to move on. Yeah, HC Kevin Hall. Do we even care about HC, man? Really? I mean, like, oh, it's probably like 3 candles or something, straight up. Oh, it went up 1,000,000%, man. Oh my god, it's gonna change the world. Yeah, look, man, I'm sorry. Maybe if y'all would have asked about HC once ever in 600 streams, then maybe we'd have done something about it, right? But like, dude, I didn't even know HC was a thing, okay? Yeah, we broke out. Oh my god, we're going to look at it real quick. Okay, we're going to look at this because it's so amazing, right? It's so powerful. It's going to overtake Bitcoin, NVIDIA, Apple, US Fiat. This is HC Hypercash, all right, man? Literally going to create a Death Star and bring us all to our knees. Not sexually. Okay, hold on. Bottom on. Okay, I created a new thing. All right. Oh my god, dude, it's the Hypercash, man. Oh my god. Let's fib it, dude. Let's fib it. Do we fib this crap? Seems like I guess. Nice double bottom, man. Nice double bottom with bullish divergence. If anyone would have ever requested this, dude, we'd have looked at this and been like, oh my god. Oh my god, right? Like, I can't scan, like, everything by myself, especially when I'm having all these issues with my computer and stuff. I mean, like, trying to, you know, just like, hey, if you see a double bottom, man, feel free to, like, shout it from the mountaintops, okay? Let us know. Wow, with Class B bullish divergence, all right? And then look at this, man. We broke out and had a little time to get in, then just gone, dude, gone. All right, got above the 618. Hey. This is it, man. Golden retrace. Never sustained prices above the 618 at all. Had a couple wicks, and that was it, man. All right. Since we hit that golden retrace, we sold off, all right? But we're just still holding around 43.36 sats, man. But beautiful. Beautiful to see how it could have become a thing, all right? Yeah, look at this, dude. Look at, oh, my God. Adam. Oh, gosh, dude. It's, like, impossible, dude. This stupid tool makes it to where it loops. Adam and Eve. right? Adam and Eve, double bottom. Beautiful, man. You gotta be, I mean, jumping for joy on that one. Fantastic. Okay, there's your Hypercane coin. That's it, dude. Great. Are we cool now? Has everyone got their crazy S-coin insanity fix? You got any more of that Hypercane? All right. What's up, Aramis, dude? Can we see Bitcoin dip below, dip till or below 3K next week, Bats? Are you saying, will we be below 3,000 by next week? I think that's what you're trying to interpret to me. Probably not. I mean, we could, but I don't know, man. Based on the pattern of harmonics, the geometry, based on the short-term pattern that's now developed, right? We had a flag, but then we say, hold on a sec, we just hit the same bottom twice. It's no longer up-sloping consolidation. It's now sideways consolidation. We just got enough data to show us that if we do break out, it seems like the measured move may not be near as bad as it could have been with a bear pole bear flag, because we measure rectangles differently than we do bear poles. All right, so we measure the height of the pattern, which again, that measured move would put us around 34.19, which is not too far off. We're a 78.6% retrace from X to A. All right, and that's where we're looking for some point of entry around here. Okay, looking for it. That's it. Oh, excuse me. So I was trying to catch up. What's up, Coach K, Ultra Instinct Jesus Man, coming in on Twitch. Sorry, everybody. The Lumia is broken still. I haven't had any time to mess with that, all right? What's up, Eli Bach? Sorry, just scrolling through, almost through chat. Okay, it's pretty lit. Ugh. Hold on. Dude, no way that looks like triple bottom. Mr. Lucky, I do not see on PHX a triple bottom at all. It looks like a just, it was in an uptrend. That is not, I don't see how that's a triple bottom at all. It looks like a stupid S coin that pumped and dumped, and everyone was like, oh my god, dude, oh my god, keep looking at PHX coin, man. Remember after it dumped, oh man, we're gonna go, dude, we're gonna go, I'm all in. And it's back to nothing, right? Back to just being trash. Okay, this is a trash coin, just like Hypercane coin. Okay, whatever. Who cares, dude? Nothing that special about this chart at all. Okay. Yay, it popped. It popped to the upside. Outside of the upsloping channel. Whatever. Okay, so. I don't know, yeah, nice daily bullish engulfing candle. Nice spike in relative strength and positive momentum, I guess, right? Yeah, it broke some sort of probable downsloping resistance, some kind. It already did, man. No real pattern, no real substance of. I don't know. I don't really see any sort of pattern here. Okay, I feel like we had a downsloping channel, and we broke out of it, and we just kind of went sideways for a little bit, and then just popped off some support back from October of 2018. That's about it. Okay. There you go. Gosh dang, man. No issues. Anyway, it's not like whatever. No more looking at that. Okay, Ethereum. here you go, man. Here's yourself some Ethereum. From a low to high. Retraced nearly 78% of the way, right? Near the 200 MA, impulse down, and it just looks to me like down sloping consolidation, I guess. You go to the 60-minute, it's much more clear, but I don't know, just making adjustments, and we're just maintaining prices within these two trend lines. All right, they converge. So it's a falling wedge of some sort. Ready to the upside, not going to be much of a retrace, but I don't even know if we found a swing low yet. Is this the swing low? If so, we hit 3% retrace. That's about it. It's just nothing, man. It's nothing. Okay, you're still oversold technically. You have positive momentum, but barely any. Okay, barely any. I mean, look, the impulse down, high volume, any kind of consolidation, very, very low volume. Nothing special. Keep your eye on Bitcoin, since this isn't really giving us anything but reason to believe we might break to the upside, but a measured move is nothing. A measured move is probably 132, probably up there. It's nothing. Below the 20 and 50 MA. Okay. It was a great run. It was a great whip. We started December 15th. What can you complain about on Ethereum on a long position? December 15th all the way to our high of around 160, January 5th. Okay. So 20 days of bullishness for the most part, all right? So we break the upside, man, it's like nothing. See your little wedge type stuff? Really not even, okay? It's just a really crappy pattern. $10 if we broke the upside. $10.50. There you go, $10.50 if we broke the upside. There you go. Okay, cool, dude. But again, if Bitcoin wants to dump at the bearish rectangle, by all means, go ahead. It's gonna dump too. Ethereum, XRP. Oh my God, it's doing things. It's doing things. It's maintaining itself as a bear flag, right? Make a small adjustment here. There you go. Upsloping, consolidation. 1, 2, 3, and just one on the top. All right. A couple things going on. Symmetrical triangle. We broke out bearishly. Did not hit the measure move. Stalled. Right. Huge impulse down and just slightly upsloping consolidation. All right. And if we were to break out bearishly of this pattern of this consolidation after the impulse, measured move will put us around 28.9 cents. Wow, really? So, but hey, if we break out, we could easily touch a downsloping support, I believe. Okay, that's something that could stop us, prevent us from hitting these measured moves. All right, this support. That's how it works. All right, so I don't know, man. You're breaking the upside, doing like what? You're hitting the heart line of the flag. Yeah. Really not that special, man. Okay, great. Look, huge volume came in on the selling. Real people. Look at this, man. Just the flag, no volume. Receding volume, terrible. All right, that's not really what you're looking for when you're trying to make higher prices. You're not looking for receding volume. Okay, anyway. No green screen APDP. I got my actual PC up. That was a temporary solution to me not being. I could have just not streamed, I guess, at all, right? So. Sorry, I'm just gonna scroll through the chat again. All right. What's up, Pablo, dude? Hello, Tyler Hill. Happy Saturday to you as well. Hey, Tomcat. Julia's afternoon is going marvelous. Work is done. Coffee's in our belly. Stream with fams. Couldn't ask for any better. Awesome, Julia. Glad to hear you're having a good one. All right. Good Sunday. What's up, Nokia, dude? No, I have not. I can if you want. Everyone wants the scrub Tron. I get it though. It dumped, or pumped and then dumped, man. Wow. Oh my god. Clean it up a little bit. Alright, so like the Bitcoin pair, I mean, we'll look at the Bitcoin pair in a minute. So we will though. That we will. Horizontal lines, man. That's very good. Okay, so here's your TRX Tron Connect. Here it is, man. Okay, so down some channel, we broke out of it, just went sideways, then kind of hit near double bottom. Okay, whatever. And then a huge rally from your high to low, 78% retrace before selling off tremendously. Okay, went from 862 sats and you fell all the way down to 608 sats. So big sell-off. Anyone that's swing trading, they're done, right? They've hit their targets and they're good, right? So not really concerned about us continuing up. I mean, you could, but trader's market, right? Oh yeah, man, let's just hold Tron, dude. Let's hold Tron because man, their revenues are so good, right? They make so much money. This market's so bullish, right? It's not. Okay, we'll see it like that. Okay. Targets acquired, 382, 50%, 618. You actually even you lucked out and hit another one, even higher, 70% retrace. Right. What would happen if we did the top one? So yeah, see, that doesn't make sense. I knew it, man. I knew it. So perfect. Okay, so we'll see how we respond to 587 if we were to hit it. If we could hold it, stay above the 200 MA. But right now, currently, you're below the 50 and 20 MA on Tron. So, geez, man. Yeah, no, look, it went so high so fast. I know we looked at the US dollar pair too, and there was bullish convergence. But the RSI was kind of like Class C bearish divergence, where we had stagnation and momentum, where we double topped on the oscillator and made a higher high on price. All right, so that's great though, man. Great little spike. Great trade. Okay, awesome, dude. There you go. Phil, man. Think right? No, Nokia. Let's free Nokia. Let's see. It's like there's no way like I can like keep up with keeping all these stupid scrub charts updated. Okay, they're so bad. All right. Sorry. Hold on. Whatever, man. Doesn't help. I'm trying to see what makes sense on this, dude. It's so weird. It's not bad. Okay. So let's look at and here's your quantum, which isn't quantum, no, that's substratum, whatever. Quantum, man, look, I tried doing something with this up here. It doesn't make any sense, dude. If I include all of it, bottom top, there's no touch points. I don't get any kind of confirmation. There's no way to really know if it's accurate or not. It's probably not the way it was charted, because it was just like, it didn't make sense, man. It was like 1, 2, and 3 on the bottom. That's great. There's a down 7 trend line, sure. But look, if you do this, man, like nothing, no real touch points. I mean, you get, I guess, some. All right, let me show you. All right, I guess you get a 25% touch point, a little bit of heart line, and then 25%, you know, trend line touches here. But like, just going sideways. Okay, what's it really doing? And like nothing, disrespecting. Just no substance, nothing. Just so that's why I want something to make more sense, like this, not including that. Whatever. Okay. So anyway. Anchor point 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 on the bottom, 4 total. A heartline touch, 25% touch everywhere. Now using a support. Great, man. Definite downtrend. What's it doing? Same old bearish stuff, right? High to low. Okay, 30% retrace. This is a discernible swing high up here to the swing low. And just going kind of sideways now, right? Zooming in, I don't know, man. Like, you had a channel that was up sloping and you broke it, man, right? You broke anything you had, right? You broke it. There you go, dude. You broke out. Looks like a scallop. Oh, nice little scallop. 70% retrace is common in these scallops. High to low. Oh my god, man. 61.8. Went a little bit higher. My god, probably like 64, 65% retrace on your descending scallop. It seems. Okay. Lower high than your previous high. Lower high than your previous high. Really not special on quantum. What were you looking at on quantum? The US dollar tether, man. I don't know, man. What's your? Just let me know. Kind of broke out of a little upslipping channel. Lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. Scrubby bear trend. That's it. What's up, Chris Rock? Glad you're cracking a cold one. You want to check the market? Awesome, dude. Awesome. 100 people haven't told me if they like or dislike the video. That normally happens, Nokia. I mean, you're gonna get probably like 30% of the people who walk, you know, out of 100% of the people, 30% are gonna hit the like, dislike. See, Tim, I should keep doing the green screen, but then people are like, I liked it better the other way. This way, that way, this way, that way. There's no way to please everyone. No way. The only way to do it is what I would think I'm trying to work on is we're looking for a mechanism to install in my ceiling where I can hit a remote and I can go to green screen whenever I want. And that's the only way it's going to work. So I'm looking into that. Gonna be expensive. So Joe Public, first time to watch me live in 2019. Happy New Year. Sweet. Thanks, APDP. I'm glad to hear that you would watch me if I was in a desert with a piece of cardboard that I'm scratching charts on with a stick. Excellent. Excellent. Maybe we should do that. It'd be a fun stream. Okay, sweet. Where's my face? It was here. It's here now. What's up, Phil C? Gosh dang it, man. Freaking mustache itches, dude. Any scenario where Bitcoin bounces here is a big bull trappy move? No, I mean, like, we could go hold within the parameters of the rectangle. So that means we could run all the way up to like 3,700, maybe a little higher, before selling off what we would expect or think could happen. What's up, Barrow? Good to see you. Excellent. Okay, cool. All right. Canadian dollar, US dollar. Got ourselves a very, very nice bounce. Very, very nice bounce off the bottom trend line of the channel. Okay. Excuse me. So we're currently hitting the heart line of the downsloping channel. Also from your major swing high to low, we're hitting a 50% retrace. Alright, we got it very, very overbought. 81 on the RSI, and now we're currently sitting at 51. Look at the daily. Very, very nice spike to the upside. Alright, so not only do we hit the bottom of the channel and pop with bullish divergence, we also hit the bottom of a historical uptrend that goes all the way back to January 16th. Alright, so good stuff there. Very good stuff. Alright. I inspired you to continue growing your beard. Going on 3 months now. Yeet, Garrett K, man, awesome. Glad to hear you're growing the beard out, man. I feel like it's a sin if you can grow one, if you have the genetics for a beard, to not have one. Why not have a beard if you can grow one well in full, right? That's right, Forex, yes. ABDP, someone asked about Canadian dollar, all right? Okay. Crazy, crazy, crazy rounding action. Oh my god, you talk about a scallop? One heck of a scallop on XLM to US dollar. Jeez. I think I know what Phil did. Alright, so he had it like a little triangle. I mean, this is a very small triangle, right? Pin it, whatever, and we broke out to the upside. There you go. There's your little pennant. Okay. A measure move definitely hit, right? There you go. There's your measure move, Kangs. It's that easy. Congrats. Phil might on your XLM. Okay, sweet man.
Thanks, Might You Legend. Clinking beer months.
Thanks, Phil, man, for the 690, dude. We appreciate that. Kings. Alright, so Litecoin, whatever. Fell back way below the neckline. Fell out of the bottom of the channel where there was upsloping. Bounced off the 200 MA and had a nice little rally from $30 up to $32.80 where we're currently sitting. Okay, you can see some rounding action beginning to run, but here's the thing, I mean, like, you're just now getting positive momentum but you're still below the 20 MA at 33.10. You haven't even tested it yet. You're gonna have the channel as a resistance that was once support. You got the 50 MA way up at 35.78. I mean, I get it. You have some great news. Hey, at least we know we got a swing low end, so we can at least fib high to low. You have not even technically hit the 23% retrace. So yeah, we can go much further. We'll see if we can, maybe we'll run up to $34.60. But again, keep your eye on Bitcoin, because Bitcoin owns Litecoin, like legit. All right. Right, this is Sparta. Yes, this is TA. What about bull flags, Phil, man? What about it, dude? That's right, Jonathan, man. A bunch of cool friends. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, sweet. What's up, Ergs Games, man? How you doing? Been doing this live stream on a Saturday night, like prime time Saturday night time. Hit that like button, that bell, that sub. That's it, man. That's all you gotta do. It's like, you know, it's all it is. But it's now time for look on the hits. Sweet. Back to Bitcoin. Dude, I don't know, man. I'm not digging this music at all. This is like killing me, dude. I think I'm gonna stop this. Give me a sec. Okay, sweet. So, alright, if you weren't in here earlier, just reiterating what we could be seeing develop. Bearish cipher into bullish Gartley. What we're looking for is pretty much a 78% retrace. That's where we should be looking to see a reversal to the upside. Funny enough, that's from the swing low to swing high. 1618 is also between the 1272 and the 1618 is where we should be trying to reverse our price action to criteria from B to D. So it's like a, 138% retrace. So this is it, man. This is kind of like the zone you're looking for. All right, the zone of entry for a long position is right around here between 33.16 and 34.56. No idea when it's going to reverse the price action to the upside, but that's what we're looking for. Okay, based on the retrace from X to, or really, X to A, we retraced almost 60% of the way, and that's what we're looking for. All right, if it was to be some sort of a bat pattern, it would be a 50%, 38% to 50% retrace. This was lower. Okay, so this meets the criteria pretty much of the Gartley. Alright, so looking for a zone of entry down here. Okay, and it would make sense because why? Why would it make sense? Because we're currently just formed a, it seems developed a bearish rectangle pattern where if, wherever we decide to break out, if we broke to the downside, can expect a measured move to be at 34.21. Alright, so just sideways stuff, the rectangle. Easy measure move is the tallest you know, from the low to high of the pattern from the breakout. Okay, so we could even look, man, if something happened, you know, where if, oh my god, all the crazy stuff happened, we break out bullishly, here you go, man, you break the upside, you'd be looking for a measure move around 38, 36, right? So, but normally bearish rectangles, you're looking for lower prices, okay, not higher. But again, measure principle works on both sides, right? That's it. Swing trade, Garrett. Swing trade. What happened, Jonathan, man? What happened, dude? What are you talking about? Haphazard? I don't know, man. What's up, Henry Ibarra? Alright, I'm just trying to zip through it. Wow, I can't believe chat's literally talking about that. That's weird. Really, really weird. Okay. So, I don't know, I've been live for like 52 minutes, alright? What's up, Kyle Tinsman? Glad you're here. Okay, looked at like 8 charts. We looked at 8 charts tonight, I mean, you know. Man, I need to create some visuals on these harmonic patterns for education, man. Gotta really just hunker down and do that. So, okay. I don't know, man. Oh, I don't know. We've looked at the requests, right, from everyone. Looked at Bitcoin, the market updates. I don't know. Kind of running out of things to do. All right, it happens sometimes. So. Awesome. So crypto capsule. Yeah. All right. Well, hey, look, y'all. It's been great Saturday night stream. Okay. I'm just, you know, sometimes you analyze all the charts, you take care of business, and then that's it, right? So, thank y'all so much for being here for this short stream of my Threadripper homecoming. It's been fun. All right. So we'll see how it plays out with the rectangle, with the potential Gartley pattern. See what happens if we do hit 3,300. We'll just look for a reversal in this zone here. Okay. So I'll be back tomorrow at some time. So until next time, respect the TA.
Change has gotta come, man. Ooh, yes it is.